Winter may not seem like the best time to plant wildflowers, but cold weather and snow are ideal to plant certain prairie species. The Linn County Conservation Department uses frost seeding to add to its acres of diverse pollinator prairies.
What frost seeding does with a lot of prairie type species like wildflowers, the seed needs a cold, moist stratification period, which if you were planting conventionally in the spring, it doesn't get. They need 30, 60, 90 days of cold and moist temperature in order to break their dormancy and grow.
Frost seeding is how Mother Nature intended wildflower seeds to function. Planting in winter allows the seeds to grow when the soil temperature rises in the spring. If the same seed was planted in April or May, it may not germinate for an entire year, which reduces its chances for success.
Also, a lot of the prairie grass seed on wildflowers is a very small seed. So if you're planting those conventionally, like with a no-till grass drill, which is typically done, those little small seeds get planted an inch to an inch and a half deep, and they don't really carry enough energy in that seed to be able to break out through all that soil and germinate.
Frost seeding allows a natural freeze and thaw cycle of spring to work the seed into the soil just enough to allow it to germinate and grow.
When Mother Nature would plant its seeds, it grows through the summer. The plant grows, pollinates, produces its seed, and then throughout the fall and winter it drops those seeds naturally onto the ground. Now we have to help it out a little bit because we have to give it some bare ground by putting it onto the snow. The sun in the wintertime, when you do get a nice sunny day, the seed melts down into the snow. You probably have future snows that cover it up, so it helps with the seed not getting preyed upon by animals. The mixes that we're planting now are very diverse. We might have 7 or 8 species of grasses and then up to 40 or 50 species of wildflowers. So it's great for pollinators. A lot of what we've been doing is to increase the pollinator habitat, honeybees, butterflies. We need pollinators to produce our food.
Prairies are an essential part of Iowa's ecosystem, providing water quality and stormwater management through erosion control and natural water filters, keeping nitrates and other harmful chemicals out of Iowa's waterways. To learn more about Linn County Conservation's natural resource and land management, visit linncountyparks.com.